Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Today, I'm making a delicious buttermilk vanilla cake, so moist. Our ingredients are as follows: buttermilk, flour, butter, eggs, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and oil. In a bowl, you'll need 2 cups of sugar. To that, add 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter. Also add 2 tablespoons of oil. I used avocado oil. Cream that together for 3 minutes. Now it's time to add 3 eggs. Add them one at a time and mix in between each addition for about 30 seconds. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, two teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 2 3/4 cups of flour, but you're going to separate it by adding buttermilk in between. You're going to add 1 1/2 cups of buttermilk and then finish up with the remainder of the flour. Add to a greased or parchment-lined pan. Buttermilk is one of those things that makes this cake just special. It gives it lightness, fluffiness, and moisture. You're going to go ahead and bake this in a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 45 to 60 minutes. Remember, everybody's oven bakes differently. When it comes out of the oven, place it on a cooling rack and do not frost it until it is completely cooled. I made a simple whipped cream frosting. And because this cake came out so good from the oven, while the first one was cooling, I went ahead and made a second one so that I could give one to our neighbor. There's really nothing better than a homemade cake. Our family declared this the best vanilla cake ever. And here you can see what it looks like from the side. It is so moist, so buttery. This recipe is a keeper. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare. I hope you will give this recipe a try, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe and like.